In this video, I'll show you how you can disable cookies on Google Chrome. Now how this works is you want to come up here and go to Settings. In here, head over to Privacy and Security. Choose Third-Party Cookies. And from in here, you have two options to block them. Now as you can see right here, you can block them in incognito mode, which means only if you open up the incognito window, they will be blocked. Or you can simply choose here to block them. Now, keep in mind, it will still say this: sites can use cookies to improve your browsing experience, but this is only if you allow it on the website by clicking yes. But if you choose this one, it says here, sites can use your cookies to see your browsing activity across different sites for the ads and stuff. Now, you can also choose to allow it, which means that they can do this, but if you want to block it from all websites and not just in incognito mode, choose this option. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.